Good morning. So I'm about to be on my way to the store. It always happens like this. I'm either on my way to the store or I'll be up in the kitchen cooking when I'm getting ready to record. But we need some groceries. Kids hungry. I'm hungry. Good thing they're asleep right now. But I just decided to get up, go to the grocery store. This is my first time going to the grocery store since I've been sick with COVID. Oh, I'm so glad that I got that over with. I had my first week of work and that went pretty good. I still got a little bit of symptoms. I was congested, I guess you can say. And then I was still coughing, hackling up, mucus and all that stuff. But for the most part, I'm doing good. I'm glad the headache's going away, and then my body cramps are going away. So now I can get back to trying to work out, ease into workouts and stuff like that, the things that I want to do. But I'm gonna go to the store, and then I guess the next thing you'll see me do is clean up the kitchen, because the kitchen is a hot mess. My whole house is a hot mess, so I'm gonna have to start cleaning up, getting stuff put together. My kids' rooms are a hot mess. When I was out, that means I wasn't doing nothing, trying to clean nothing, at all. I think I cooked about 2 times, but that was it. And then I got up to help Junior with his homework when he had to work from home. I had to do school at home while I had COVID. But other than that, guys, yeah, so I'm about to head to the store so I can go get some groceries so I can feed my babies. And then we got a couple places that we got to go today. So yeah, I'll be back. Ugh. Groceries are here, and I need to clean my truck. I'm about to call Nick to come get these groceries. Look who's gonna greet me. Kelly! Hey, Kelly. Okay, so we had breakfast. I just woke up from a nap. Now I'm about to get ready to go do the things that we need to go do. Hubby needs a new wallet. Kids, I think they need a jacket. Nick needs a new jacket. What do I need? I don't ever get myself nothing, so I probably don't need anything. But yeah, that's what I'm about to get ready to do. I have to come back, clean this living room, because these kids, no, I just can't blame them. But look at my living room. Oh, hot mess, everything on the floor. Then look at my kitchen, my island is a hot mess. And then my pantry, I need to look at it. Everybody just throw stuff around, and it's just a hot mess. So I gotta get that fixed up. So I'll come back, start cleaning up. I don't know if we're gonna eat pork chops today, but we have pork chops in the fridge. I might, marinate those and fry those up. I know that's gonna be real good, but we'll see. Why does my voice sound like this? Oh yeah, I just woke up. But yeah, we're about to get ready to head out. I don't know where. I bet he went outside. What's outside for? Let's see. Come on, Callie. He in the garage. What you come out here for? What you come out here for?
I was just getting hot. I had a sweater on.
Oh, okay.
I get ready. And I took the trash can back.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna start the most.
Why?
I need to hook up my trickle charger.
Trickle charger? Oh, that's the motor thing?
I get the new bike, though.
Boy, you better... You ain't getting no new bike, Nick. You... Oh, yeah. Okay.
It's already too late.
To my damn trickle charger.
You wanna see it? Is that you too?
Yeah.
It's gonna be my new bike, y'all. Hold on.
He need one. He got this one. He cleaned it up, fixed it up. He got to get an oil change though, but this is baby right here. So
I thought I saved the picture.
I need some stuff on my lips. So look, boy, you better give back.
Can you see me on that?
I can see you on the motorcycle, but you don't need another one.
Well,
Your daddy trying to get a motorcycle. Do he need one, Nick?
Look, this one.
Come here, Nick.
This is the one that I want.
I gotta do your hair, boy.
Look, Nick.
Nick, look.
It's cooler though.
He don't want to be on there. Look at your daddy's motorcycle. Okay.
No.
All right, so let me go see what this girl doing. But got to head to Lowe's first, right, Nick? We're going to Lowe's first, cause you gotta get the. Lowe's, dirt cheap. We got a couple of things, a couple places to go. You're not on a picture. It's YouTube. But Junior, do you want to learn? You want to learn how to cook like me? You want to? We thought you want to learn how to cook like me?
Well, are you
I'm
gonna
gonna get you in the kitchen.
Sandwiches?
That's not all I made. Okay, I'm gonna stop cooking. We're gonna see what you're gonna be doing.
Oh shit.
Are you talking about me?
I'm just playing.
Okay, yeah. Let me stop cooking and see how long you survive.
I'm just gonna buy food. I don't know what you're talking about.
And then you'll be like, babe, you got some money? I'll be like, no.
I'm gonna just hit the dollar menu up.
Every day?
Every day. I ain't gonna starve. I might make some noodles, sandwiches, hot links.
So you're gonna take it back.
I'll be alright.
You're gonna take it back to when you used to eat all of that.
Yeah.
I'd rather cook, so you know you love my cooking though, so don't play. It's just the fact that you don't like it when I make it with onions and stuff.
Yeah, that's just nasty.
It's not.
I'm tired. I don't know why I'm so fucking tired.
I'm tired too. Rita's tired. She told me she wants some ice cream. Y'all don't want anything from the store? We about to get something real quick. Because Mama is not going to cook right this moment. No?
Ice cream.
You want ice? Man. You don't want food?
You can't get ice cream without food.
We're going to go to Sonic. Do you want Sonic? You do? You don't want nothing we thought? Not even a corn dog? You remember her mouth, babe? She ain't gonna probably be able to eat anyway. I bet giving her cereal and cold stuff. Excuse me. She said it hurts. It hurt, Mama? Your mouth don't hurt no more? So you... It slowed down. It feels a little better though. So that means you can eat some food and not just ice cream. So you gonna get a corn dog from Sonic? What you gonna eat? You'll get ice cream, but you need to eat something else. You need to get something else. You want a sandwich? Okay, so look here. I ain't getting no bread. How you gonna eat the sandwich without bread? You like mayo? She likes mayo bread.
That's disgusting.
You see how she eat it? My daughter, she makes her sandwich. She know how to make her sandwich. Her daddy taught her how to make a sandwich. But what she do is she takes it apart. So she'll take her bread apart, she'll take her meat off, her cheese off, and she'll eat the bread by itself. And then she'll eat the meat by itself, and then eat the cheese by itself. Like, I don't understand that, but she loves those sandwiches like that. I don't get it. I don't get it. And it's like ketchup too. I'll be like, how do you eat ketchup by itself? I just don't get it. But we're gonna get something from Sonic because I'm hungry. He hungry. We went to these stores, but really didn't get too much. Did we?
Nope.
We were just exhausted and tired. I don't know. It just feels weird coming back out after having COVID to me. Like, it don't feel the same. Like, we are burnt out from just being out. Are you, babe? Yeah, just rather be home. That's how the kids were too. They rather be home too. But we're gonna get something from Sonic because I'm still gonna try to make those pork chops tonight. I'm gonna marinate them and stuff. But I'm not good at frying pork chops. We're gonna see how this turn out. But I'm gonna fry some pork chops today.
We're gonna be right back in Sonic.
What? There you go, talking about my cooking again. All right, you need to really tell the truth. How do my cooking be for real before we end this? It be good?
Yeah, I just like talking shit.
I know. All right. pork chops and my corn and my green beans. So what y'all didn't see is that, excuse me, my husband, he likes more of a spicy ness to his food, so I added more succulama to his. That's why his is a little darker to my left. But I got the two up here. And then my corn, y'all, is sweet and salty. It's good. My green beans are good. That's what we're about to eat. See you in a minute. You want some? You want to try it? Pork chop. Mmm. That's good. All right, we're done. I didn't finish up my pork chops, corn, and green beans. Yes, my love. Ta-da!
Yeah, it looks like a lipstick.
I know.